Welcome back. I'd like to draw your attention to digital signage, and I would like to show you how you can transform your visual communications. All with a little device called a screen array that connects to the HDMI port on any TV. Simply take a flat panel TV of any size, place in your business, and immediately you can interact, engage, influence, communicate, and sell more with your custom solution. S2M offers a very simple, easy to use, affordable solution. We can even provide a turnkey package for you that includes the TV, the wall mount hardware, installation, and configuration to get you up and running fast. Now 86% of customers are willing to spend more for a better customer experience. And 84% of companies who improved the customer experience saw a boost in sales. 83% of small business owners show increase in revenue from adding digital signs, and consistency in branding increases revenue an average of 23%. Digital signs have proven to decrease the customer's perceived wait times by 35%. First of all, who is a candidate for this digital sign solution? Well, any retail business that sells products or services, any food service that has any type of a menu. This could be a bar, a restaurant, even a taco truck. Any business where information changes often. This could be a bank, this could be real estate, or insurance. Anywhere signage is needed to direct people, or anywhere people wait in line or in a lobby, such as a medical, pharmacy, dental, or hospitality. Any church that communicates with their membership. Now for the second question, is why would you consider adding digital signage to your location? If you can improve the look of your signs from a manual material that's time-consuming to print, create, distribute, to a full color image or video that is fast to create for one screen or many screens or even multiple locations with a mere button click. Additionally, you can schedule your content for once or multiple usage, such as a limited time information, sales, or services. It's great. I think by now I've answered the questions and you probably can see the value in transitioning from a manual signage to a digital platform. So after seeing the two questions answered, such as the percentage of increase in customer experience and the relevance to your specific industry, why don't you give us a call now so we can start discussing your new digital sign.